Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website's team inhalers.com. I'm on a home page, and I really like that you are showing the product or person using the product in the hero image, so people can understand right away visually what you're selling, which is really important for the conversion. You inform about free shipping on all orders. Uh, Menu is above the fold, which is perfect. I would rename products to shop. So this is call to action. People can act upon it, click it, and shop. For some reason, this is an image, not a logo, so I would remove it. This is not necessary. The logo should be really placed here because it's usually hyperlinked, so people expect to click it to go to the home page. Because it's not hyperlinked, it doesn't really improve your conversion rate. Your user experience. So it kind of feels a bit of out of the place. This particular theme. This particular theme you will need to add if you don't want to display the logo within the image in the middle. You will need to add extra not promo, but like a top bar with the menu and with the logo. So think about going this way, because there's no need to include it here if people can't click it, and people can't, don't see it on all pages, because it's only on a home page, so people can't. You need to think about adding a logo that will be displayed on all pages, so people can easily return to the home page by clicking the logo. Okay, so you've got really nicely organized navigation, which is perfect. Think about opening the social media links in your tab so you don't lose valuable traffic from your own website. Okay, so you specify, you add more details about why your products are best. So this is fantastic. The product titles are very SEO friendly. You again mentioned the shipping is free, which is excellent. Add to cart, very nice product image as well, perfect. Your product page looks great. I like that the description is quite detailed. You add a slideshow here. You add more details below. So it's really trustworthy. It feels like you specialize in this niche. You've got knowledge, and this is really important for people shopping for those kind of medical life-saving devices. So that's really important. Because you are selling a little bit, quite specific items, I would add unique policy. I wouldn't go mm, with Shopify default policy, because it mentions item. You are not selling like gift cards, downloadable products, DVDs, VHS tapes. So it can definitely work against your conversion rate. You work so hard on building your trust authority, and having this kind of refund policy can definitely affect your sales. Because you're selling items that can be used for obviously personal needs, you need to specify that you can only accept returns of items that have been unused, unopened. These are medical devices, so they cannot be, tinkered with. Nobody can open it and then refund and then send it back for somebody else to use it. So it's very sensitive matter. You need unique policy to take that all into consideration. You need to specify how people can ship them, whether they need specialist courier, how do they pack the item, and so on. So think about covering yourself, covering your business, covering your future customers as well with more detailed policy. I noticed that all of your items are on sale, so think about running only, because you're selling 3 items. Think about having only 1 item on sale at a time. Otherwise, people lose this kind of value of a deal. They don't see it as a deal. They see maybe a little bit untrustworthy sale. So think about building your trust, building your authority by running only limited time discounts only on one product at a time. Shipping policy needs more details, so you have to specify whether you ship worldwide, whether you ship only within your country. Also specify where you are located as well. You need more trust signals to really build your authority. Mm, Also specify whether people can order and order the item to be delivered to the work address, order the item to be delivered to someone else. Obviously, if they wanted to buy this product for somebody else, make sure to add more details here. People will need to know that the items are securely wrapped, securely shipped as well, that um, to they need to know that before placing an order. About us page needs more details. You need to add more specific details as to what kind of experience you've got in this niche, what kind of experience you've got in with nebulizers, with inhalers, and so on, because people buy these products as medical devices. So make sure to really add what makes you an authority in this niche. Add your photo, add the information. Why did you choose this specific niche, and why people should buy from you? So don't be too generic, don't be too vague in this area, because this is make or break for you as a retailer of those kind of medical devices. So think about from your user experience perspective. You need to build trust and authority as a seller from these devices. Your SEO score is 38 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. You've got two different domain names. So obviously, this domain name and your My Shopify domain name pointing to the one website. So for Google, without the redirect, it means that it reads this as duplicate content website to website with a duplicate content. So make sure to add the redirect. Your Google snippet needs optimization as well. It's completely empty. You're missing H1 tags, so make sure to add them as well. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile. And if you'd like to speak with a Shopify expert, ask more details about how to improve your sales and how to drive free traffic to your site, please book a free chat. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.